already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
What's up, guys? So we're in the airport and we're waiting to board to go to San Francisco, baby. It's my first time to Cali. Super excited. Yeah, I'm very tired. I'm on 2 hours of sleep right now. Woo, there's the plane, bro.
About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
What's up, guys? I'm the person who has been like, wait, why is my pet so big? I've been vlogging for her because she's lazy. Okay, yeah, follow me on Instagram, like pop tag. Wait, here?
It's gonna be on you. On you.
On me. Yeah. Okay, bye.
What's up, guys? So we're about to take off, and yeah, I'm excited.
I am very scared. I'm very, very, very scared. This is my first flight, and kind of her first flight too, because she doesn't remember her other flight because she was like 4 or something. 4? She was 2.
We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free.
Okay, what's up? With you? Okay, here.
We're almost there.
Halfway. I'm getting a headache, and my stomach hurts.
This channel should be called Infantry. So right now we're almost there.
Guys, so this is our plane. I can't see it. The viewfinder's like, yeah. Is that called a viewfinder? Say hi. Our ears hurt so much. And we should have done that like this. Oh, if it's a bad, it won't work. You know, okay, bye.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway.
So we just got out and now we're about to go tour.
Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out.
We're on an airplane right now.
Be free.
What's up, vlog? So right now we are waiting for the train. It's gonna come right here, and we're gonna go to our hotel. Right now we're on the train. This is giving me Thomas the Train vibes. So it's my first train, right? Except the zoo doesn't count though. So we just got off the train, and now we're heading to our hotel. So we just got to our hotel room and we're on the 11th floor, really crazy. The highest floor I've ever been on. This is the view. It's okay. Hold on, look at this. Are you gonna Snapchat? Okay guys, so what I'm wearing are these Vans overalls, and this shirt from Forever 21 just says BLK shirt. I'm guessing it means so basically we went to the hotel, checked in, got all that done. I ran out of storage on my SD card, so we had to make a pit stop to go get that. And then Emma here needed a belt. So basically we're getting distracted. We haven't eaten anything, maybe stuff on the plane, but now we're heading somewhere to eat.
Hi guys, it's Emma's part of the segment. Okay. So, I am very hungry. I want to go eat like Korean noodles or whatever, but this girl over somewhere, she wants to go to some berries. So, you know, yeah, and we've been walking for hours and we're like really far away from our hotel. I just almost bumped into somebody because they were talking, but you know, it's whatever. And look at Maddie. My arm hurts now, so I'm gonna go.
Another one. We the best music. DJ Cali.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.
So right now, oh, this is bad lighting. Hold on. So right now we're trying to find something to eat. Our legs are very tired. We walked around 10 blocks. Yeah, we're trying to find something to eat. We're at this like market. They have a bunch of fruits and stuff. Which one? So I got this for lunch. They're really expensive.
Everything here is vegetarian, so like, you know.
What'd you get?
I got a spicy tuna roll.
Sushi. Bento. I don't know.
Chicken.
Just got done eating lunch and it was not great. Right now I'm holding like a $10 water bottle. We're walking. Yeah, we're just walking our food off and we're gonna figure out what to do. So when we got here, I supposedly thought this was like the Golden Gate Bridge, and then I found out it wasn't. It was like the Bay Bridge or something, but it looks just as nice.
Now it's the segment. Oh wait, why is it so zoomed? Why is it? Now it's the segment where Emma talks. I'm bored. We need to go to church. It's like 2:30 right now. Yeah.
I bet you were gonna miss it.
My legs hurt so much. I'm like next vlog.
Tips: if you go to San Francisco, buy a car because our legs literally fall off.
We have a car and our aunt doesn't want us to get an Uber because it will kick us.
Yeah. So right now we're at a water park and it's really, really cool. Oh, this is our first taxi.
This is their first taxi cab drive.
Right now we're in Chinatown. Pretty. This is my culture. No, I'm joking. I'm Vietnamese. Super excited. Super excited. Emma, there's a tree over there. We are new celebrities. Find us in San Francisco on the corner and in Chinatown. Hey, look at this road. I love how the hilly roads are in San Francisco. It's really cool. So right now we're getting boba. I splurged for the very first time. Happy. She got black milk tea, her favorite, and she got honey green tea, and I got pineapple smoothie with boba.
Okay, updates with Emma.
Oh my god.
So we've been walking around a lot. I bought like 3 shirts for souvenirs.
We're trying to find
Yeah, we're trying to find.
So here's our boba. Pineapple.
I got milk.
Milk. But yeah, it's good. 10 out of 10 would recommend. So right now we are heading back to the hotel. It's 0.2 miles away and we're gonna rest. We ate boba and stuff already, so maybe we'll have like a light dinner, but you never know. And here's San Francisco.
San Fran. What's the one?
Cisco. What's up, guys? So we just got up from a nap. I didn't sleep. They did. But anyways, we're about to go to dinner. It's 9 o'clock here, 11 o'clock in Dallas. But look, it is so cool at night. Woo, but it is so cold. I'm wearing a jacket. Probably gonna head down there. Woo, this is scary. But yeah. So we just got pizza for dinner. Out of all things, we got pizza. Out of all things in San Francisco, we got pizza. Yo, it is not summer here. It is like winter here. It's like freaking 50 degrees. But now we're going back to the hotel. It's very, very scary at night. So. 1, 2, 3, bang! Look at all that pizza. It's bad lighting, but this is mine. I don't know what I got. That's Emma's and that's my aunt's. I don't know what I got, but we're about to dive in this. And officially next week, I'm gonna be on a diet, okay guys? This is too much food for me. I've never eaten this much carbs.
I'll recommend. McDonald's.
10 out of 10 would recommend.